What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, you might not know that on an occasion, we will share with you an amazing tool deal. Quite frankly, the other day, I saw such an amazing tool deal, I needed one for myself. I'm super excited that it's here, so let's get it unboxed. What we're unboxing is inside this box. To get this box open, I'm going to use my Spyderco Para 3 with S110V steel. Made in America, planet Earth, Golden, Colorado. What I grabbed was this Milwaukee. This is the special buy. This is a promo kit. These are Milwaukee's compact brushless drill driver and impact driver. They come in this very handsome and durable Packout box. You can see it says special buy kit. It's a $504 value. This is the reality of it. When we found it on special, this was priced down less than Black Friday deals. It was $199 was the lowest we saw it during Christmas time. This kit we saw on HomeDepot.com for $149. How do you pass that up? You can't pass it up. Plus, we got big plans for these two compact tools. Actually, this one right here, the drill driver. You can see the product number for this kit is 2892-22CTPO. And generally, like the POs, and it's promotional, it means promotional. The tools come with two 2-amp-hour batteries, a charger, in the Packout box. I mean, the Packout box is part of an entire, it could be another video altogether, because this Packout box integrates with the entire Packout system. Cool stuff. Let's talk about some of the specs, especially of the 1/2-inch drill driver. You got peak torque of 500 inch-pounds, okay? RPMs in speed 1 is 500 RPMs. Speed 2, because it's a 2-speed drill, is 1800 RPMs. It's got an 1/2-inch all-metal ratcheting chuck. Pretty cool, especially at this price point. Compared to its competitors, you probably would find plastic on those other tools, on the competitors' tools. If you wanted to see this 1/4-inch hex impact driver, we have an entire video just on that tool. You can go over here. Milwaukee Packout, most versatile, durable, modular storage system, toolbox. It's 75-pound capacity, impact-resistant body. It's IP65 rated. So for dust and water spray, your tools are safe inside. I have not opened one of these previously. So what I would love to see is maybe some like Kaizen foam or a blown plastic insert that hold the tools in place instead of them just rolling around in the box. Am I going to be disappointed or pleasantly surprised? It looks as though I might be a little disappointed. So on the top of the box, we got a whole bunch of literature. Some leaflets here talking about the Packout storage. Also the M12 and M18 lines from Milwaukee. We have our instruction manual for the drill driver. We have our instruction manuals for the multi-volt charger and batteries. Then we have the instructions for the impact driver. This is all good reading material. You're going to want to read everything contained here within. Now, first out of the box is cardboard. Second out of the box is more cardboard. Third out of the box is cardboard, because there's not, sadly to say, there is not a molded insert. It's just the box. Is it a bad thing? No. You want to know why? Because you can go to this video here to learn how to make a custom Kaizen foam insert for this box to put all the tools in. Super exciting stuff. It's going to help you to get organized. We have our two 2-amp-hour batteries. We have our rapid charger, and then more cardboard that I wanted to get rid of. Now, this is the multi-volt charger from Milwaukee. What's cool about this is that not only will it charge your 18-volt batteries, you also can charge 12-volt batteries from their M12 line. So if you already own this kit, already own this charger, let's just say you wanted to take advantage of a M12 promotion. Sometimes they'll sell bare tools and give you a free battery. Now you don't have to worry about how you're going to charge that battery. We have 2 of the compact batteries. I got to tell you, they're compact, they're CP 2.0s. These are nice batteries. I like the rubber molding at the bottom. It helps with shock when you drop these. It adds a level of protection, in my opinion. The batteries came to me 1 bar. Right here, we have Milwaukee's brushless. This is their brushless compact impact driver. This is a good tool. Powerful, compact, very slim. We're not going to focus too much on this today because we already have a video about it. I linked it over there. Go check it out. But one of the main reasons that we picked up this kit, this is Milwaukee's brushless 2-speed drill driver. If this tool performs anything like its impact driver that's contained in this kit, this is going to be impressive. I'm excited to see how it performs. I will say this. It feels like every other contractor grade Milwaukee tool. It feels really good. It has nice rubber overmolding at the back in case you drop it. It has, let's see, 1 through 18 clutch settings with its 2 amp hour battery and belt clip installed. You're looking at 3 pounds, 6.7 ounces. Bare tool, we're looking at 2 pounds, 7.2 ounces. All right, you know what time it is. Unbelievably compact in my opinion. You're looking at 6.65 inches. Tool height, we're looking at 8.94 inches. At its widest point at the top is a super compact 2.19 inches. It is a 2-speed drill driver. It is compact. It does not offer a hammer function on this drill driver. This is such a compact 18-volt tool that if we look at some of its competitors, I think maybe one of the first competitors you can consider would be its little brother, which isn't even that little. This is the M12 fuel hammer drill driver. It's a great tool, okay? Very powerful, very compact, but when you look at these tools, you'll see how compact this is, almost the same size. Another competitor, the Makita, this is their 18-volt subcompact. They look around the same height. They're right around the same length. I will say that the Makita is thinner and lighter in the hand. This is also 2-speed drill driver. One thing to note immediately is that the Makita, it's a brushless tool, but it does have a plastic chuck. Finally, we look at the Walt answer to all of these tools. This is their Atomic drill driver. 2 speeds, plastic chuck. A lot of people are really impressed with how compact this tool is. So much so that a lot of people felt that this was DeWalt's answer to the M12 line of tools. But if we take a closer look, these really are very similar in size. Height, length, the DeWalt could be slightly shorter. This is 6.26 inches compared to the Milwaukee. If you wanted to see a full overview of this Atomic line of tools that we have, go on over to this video playlist here. One of the main reasons I wanted to get this in was I believe that this tool was developed to compete with this tool, and we want to put them in a tool test raw to see how they compete against one another. I'm gonna tell you, this kit clocking in at $149, unbelievable deal. The DeWalt Atomic came in a bag with an impact driver, 2.5 amp batteries, and a charger. It was at $229. And if you like the idea of tool reviewers and YouTubers showing you the nitty-gritty and how tools compete against one another, then smash the like button. Also, if it's your first time here and you're not already, get subscribed and tap the bell. Because when we do a tool test raw, we do it live, and you ain't gonna wanna miss it. With that, I wanna say, I appreciate every single one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. And if you can grab this kit at that price, do it.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.